Менің саған жақсы шағалым бар.
Бұл менің қолымнан келе ме екен?
Қолыңнан келеді. Әлемде қазақтың әнін тыңдату керек.
The voice from the state. This is Anton Lebedev. He will take care of you. I'll be your guide.
Where did you study?
I had no training.
You're a primitive from the Kazakhstan. You represent the republics now. See you in Paris.
Nobody loves me. I wonder who.
This is Montparnasse. Some of the greatest artists in the world live here. Amre, to Comrade Leonid Sobinov, the people's artist of the Soviet Union.
Can I take your luggage, sir?
Somebody loves
Come
me.
on, or we'll be late for the first day of the competition. The competition is 3 rounds by elimination. You see what association with greatness can get you.
Do what I tell you and you will be fine.
Are you Mustafa Shokay?
Әміре Қашаубаев. Сенің әнің мені туған жермен қайта қауыштырғандай болды.
What do you hear? Birds?
Water. The wind.
Everything's music.
Сенің есімің қазір ел аузында.
Where have you been?
I saw a friend.
I am your friend. Swear to me it was not that Shokai.
With this, he can help us.
And who's helping him?
If you go against their orders, or they even suspect you of anything, both our heads will roll. If you don't care about yourself, at least think about poor Lebedev.
You want me to be a messenger? No, brother. I want you to be the message. Amre Kashaubayev.
Shukai. Tell me about Shukai.
You had Shokai under your nose, but you couldn't take him. If you don't allow me to sing, everyone will know.
Got a little rhythm, a rhythm, a rhythm that made it back to my brain.